Hey guys, it's John with Crypto Network, a news channel. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I'm working on a lot of other projects, and I have not been putting out much content or in the form of videos on this channel. I will try to do it, but I've been extremely busy with cloud mining, which you can see on my channel. In this video, I want to talk about the stock market. A lot of people have been asking me, hey, I get this question a lot. The stock market is crashing lately. Does it correlate or have any impact on crypto? So, my answer is always no, it absolutely does not. But I want to show you a couple of things in this video just to kind of put something in perspective and just to show you what's going on. This is a great article by CCN. It's really kind of puts it in perspective of what's going on. Stock market plunges but has no impact on crypto, no correlation, question mark. So let me just read this, and I'll leave a link to this in the description if you guys want to read it. But this week, the U.S. stock market deleted all of its gains made in 2018 amidst a major sell-off, right? The crash had no impact on the crypto market, showing no signs of inverse correlation, right? This is what I've been talking about to people. They ask me this question a lot. Let me read on. Possibly affected by this is the stock market, the trade war between China and the U.S., along with the increase in Fed rates, the U.S. stock market suffered one of the worst short-term crashes in recent history. Analysts stated that Asia markets are more vulnerable than the U.S. if the stock market crash of the U.S. is to intensify given the gradual decline in growth rate of China's economy. Then the worries about what's happening abroad. China, the world's second biggest economy, is showing slower growth. Last week reported economic growth of 6.5% in the third quarter, falling short of expectations. And it has been drawn into a trade dispute with the U.S., with each side digging on tariffs on billions of dollars of each other's imports. CNBC investigating editor reported. Plus for crypto, this is where it gets interesting. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum possesses fundamentally different catalysts that affect their prices on a regular basis in comparison to the global stock market and traditional assets. So this is really cool. Read the whole article. I'll read a little bit more because it's kind of interesting. Similar to gold and other types of precious metals, the value of crypto markets solely depends on the supply and demand within the market, unaffected by the performance of the global economy. So this is our economy. Cryptocurrency is not owned by the governments, right? This is owned by us. We mine it, we own it, right? So this is why I tell everybody to get into cloud mining. And at the end of this video, I want to invite you guys to come to one of my presentations on the best, and I'm telling you, I've done this a lot. I've been involved in a lot of cryptocurrency mining. Mining cryptocurrency is really safe. I'm talking about cloud mining. I'm not telling you to buy an S9 miner and try to do it yourself. It's just too expensive, and the power will eat your profits. I'm talking about cloud mining. And I'm going to talk about that, so stay tuned towards the end. Now, here's just some other things. If you type in stock market crash, these are 4 hours a day ago. The stock market is crashing. I mean, I'm going to show you guys the Dow Jones average. This is ridiculous. Look, down 296 points. The Nasdaq down 151 here. So yeah, everybody said it was going to correct itself. It was a lot of a long bull run. So we are going to get some corrections in the stock market, right? But unaffected is us in crypto, and if you don't want to be affected and you're ready to retire and the stock market crashes, you're screwed. I'm sorry, man. You guys, I don't understand that. Diversify. I'm not saying to get out of the stock market. First of all, let me just say something. I am not a financial advisor. Please use objective thinking when investing in the crypto or the stock market or anything. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, and this is just my opinion. However, my biggest thing, all the people I read on financial advice tell you to diversify. So my thing is, hey, yeah, I have some money in the stock market, but most of it's in crypto now. But at least diversify. That's my biggest thing, because you're going to have these problems here. Here's Yahoo Finance. Look at all the red. Look at this chart. This is, I think the Nasdaq on Yahoo Finance. This is sad, right? This is people's retirement funds going into the toilet, right? And if you're ready to retire, you're looking at this going, oh my God, I'm never going to be able to retire like this, right? So diversify your money, man. That's my thing, you know, and that's where I stick by. So this is just a little bit of things. Let's go to the Bitcoin. Now look at Bitcoin. It's stable. Now look, Bitcoin corrected itself. We all know from 2017 when it went up to almost around 20,000. Yes, it has corrected itself, but look how stable it's been, right? So it's been as stable as hell. It's not losing, right? And it's expected over time to go up, right? Mainly because 2017 was a retail FOMO boom. It was all retail money. When if you look at some of my videos, check my channels on when institutional money comes into cryptocurrency, we're talking about hedge funds. Trillions of dollars are going to pour into it. When the SEC approves, most likely the CBOE for an ETF, then you're going to start seeing some money come into crypto like you've never seen before, and all the crypto market will come up. This is just a Bitcoin chart, but I just wanted to kind of illustrate that it is pretty stable. Now, the other thing I want to show you guys is some cloud mining. So this is the company I'm talking about. If you've seen some of my other videos, you're going to see I really promote AWS Mining. Now, this has nothing to do with Amazon Web Servers. A lot of people ask me about that. Although they use Amazon for their website and their back office, it has nothing to do with Amazon. I just want to make that stipulation. This is automated web services mining, right? So they're a company that I've been researching. I've been over a year in this company. I have met the owners. I'm going to show you a little bit about it real quick. I do have presentations you can see. And this company, you know, their headquarters in Australia, in Sydney, Australia. They have mining farms across China, Paraguay, and Russia, and they're expanding, right? And one of the things I like about them is they're actually registered with the Australian Securities Commission. I have the actual paperwork. I actually went on their website and verified this. Do your own due diligence. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence when investing. But this is an awesome company. Over 100,000 members, over a year with no complaints in their program of anybody getting paid. 100,000 members and not one complaint of somebody not getting paid. So here's Daniel Budeschi. He's the CEO and founder, along with Alexander Campos, the CFO and founder. These two are the founders. There's some of their team around the world, and this kind of goes on and on. There's a bunch more people here. I'm not going to get into all of them, but I have met these gentlemen. They are real people. They started in 2015, and they open up in 2017. They open up to the public, so you can buy mining packages. In 2017, they also launched an affiliate program, which is a referral program, which is completely optional, right? And I'm not going to get into the compensation plan, but I could tell you that it is fantastic, and well thought out and very safe, right? So it's passive income. I always tell people, look, I had a mentor who told me, look, he said, John, if you keep on going to work, I was a respiratory therapist for 22 years. I worked in a hospital. I had a professional job. I had science degrees in respiratory sciences. You know, I went to college and I had this great job. Very stressful because I'm dealing with people's lives. But, you know, he said the problem, my mentor David said the problem with going to a job and trading your time for money is in order to make money forever, you have to work forever, right? So that's really not a good scenario. And I said, you know what, you're right. You know, hopefully you'll have a retirement plan. And then I met a bunch of people retiring on 50%, maybe 60% of their salary. And they're telling me they have to go back to work because their bills are still 100%, right? Of what it was. Just because they're retiring, their bills haven't changed, right? So they go back to work after retirement. I thought that was the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. So the only type of income I was recommended by my mentor, who was making over $100,000 a month. This guy was a multimillionaire. He said, you have to create assets. You have to build assets that create a passive income. And let me tell you, I found a way through AWS Mining, guys. This is the most fantastic opportunity I have ever seen. Now, this is a little bit more about the website. It's really simple. You can get started with, this is real mining. Like, this is the real mining farms. They actually invite you to their data centers. You can tour these. This is not fake. I have seen them. Trust me, you can make an appointment. This is the most transparent company I've ever seen, and it's the only one I recommend for cloud mining. Now, I'm not going to go into all the details here, but the prices here, you can get into it as low as $40. Every contract will give you a 200% return, which is 100% of your money back plus your investment back plus 100% lift. So double your money, right? Some people say it's 100% profit, which is true, but they call it a 200% total return. So basically, it takes about 13, 14 months to do that. It's not etched in stone. These contracts are guaranteed to run until they double, and then that will expire. So that's pretty good. There's a little calculator on here. You can see how much you can make. But I don't want to go too much into this, guys. What I want to tell you guys is I really encourage you guys to join me on a live webinar, right? And what you want to do is go to awswebinar.com. And these webinar dates and times are limited right now. We will be adding more times if you're outside the US. This is Eastern time, EST time, every Tuesday and Thursday. Thursdays, we do mostly our full presentations. Tuesdays, we do more of a question and answer thing. But we do Thursdays at 8:30 EST, we do a full presentation. This is me and my partner, James. We're team leaders in AWS. And we invite you to come to see what we're doing. It's free, right? This is a free live webinar. You get to ask questions to us, right? We use Zoom software. It's free. It's easy. You can actually speak or just chat if you don't want to put yourself on camera. If you want to sign up for my newsletter just to get email reminders, you're welcome to do that. I don't spam people. I'm not going to sell your information or nothing like that. So all you have to do is at this time is come here and click on this link. It will take you to Zoom. It'll maybe prompt you to download the software. It's free. I do recommend you can do it on a phone if you want. I do recommend a laptop or a tablet where you could see the screen a little bit because I will be doing a live presentation. Now, if these times don't work for you, let me know. Contact me. Click this contact me to schedule a call. And you don't have to schedule a call if you want to just email me. You can do that as well. You can get me on Facebook. You can get me on email me at john@joinawsmining.com. You can call. This is my personal cell phone number. Please be aware that I am on Eastern time, and if I don't answer it, leave a message. And serious inquiries only. Don't call me and try to sell me what you're trying to sell me like everybody else has done in the past. I'm not interested. I have something that works. If you guys are looking for something that works and something that's going to make you passive money, guaranteed this is working for me, right? Then come and join me. If you want to contact me, please do. Just make sure you're serious. I will talk to you in person. We'll either do a one-on-one Zoom, or we can go over the phone or Skype or whatever you guys want to do, right? I'm open to talking to everyone. All right, I'm very excited about this opportunity. So again, come to awswebinar.com. I'll leave the link in the description, and I want to talk to you guys. I want to show you what's going on and what's making me passive residual income on autopilot. So one of the things that I always talk about. I actually posted this on Facebook. And let me just put this in it's a Warren Buffett quote. I want to show you guys, right? I'm going to show you guys a Warren Buffett quote here. Let me just pull them up here, and let me put this in here. Quotes. All right. So here's what he says, right? If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's a Warren Buffett quote. He's one of the billionaires, richest guys in the world. Take it from him. Don't take it from me. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. A lot of people will. I have people retiring, going back into work. What does that tell you? So we're here to show you a way that I've found. I'm blessed to show you this. We have an amazing team. I really want to share it with you guys. All right, so this video is getting a little long. I apologize, but I'm really excited. Please come and join me, awswebinar.com. Make sure you click on this link during these times. There's no registration to take you directly to Zoom software you could download and install on your computer, laptop, MacBook, or whatnot, or phone. Again, I'm John with Crypto Networker News, and I'm looking forward to meeting all you guys. You guys have a great day.